1C7 connectors offer exceptional electrical performance. They're designed for ease of installation and long-term durability. This instruction applies to DIN 7/16 and Type N connectors for the 7/8" regular cable. Components in order of assembly are the back nut with scaling nut, clamp ring, and the front nut with connector head. We'll demonstrate the use of the manual stripping tool for the preparation of the S-Link 7/8" regular cable. We will also be using a flaring tool for the S-Link 7/8" regular cable. Please listen to the following instructions carefully before assembling. Step 1. Preparing the cable. The first step in the assembly is cable trimming. Straighten the first 200 mm of the cable and strip the cable jacket as demonstrated. Insert the tool on the cable with bigger blade on a corrugation top and rotate it in the direction of the arrows on the tool. While rotating the tool around the cable, it is very important that the tool be guided by the plastic fixture in the valley of the outer conductor. Be careful not to apply too much pressure. The spring tension provides enough force to cut the outer conductor. The outer conductor cut will require about 2 to 3 turns of the tool. Continue to rotate and close the tool to cut the center conductor and outer jacket. After cutting, remove the tool and strip off the back section of the jacket. Step 2. Installing the connector. Slide the back nut onto the cable while rotating slightly. Be careful to keep the O-ring in the slot. Push the clamp ring down until it snaps into the first corrugation valley. Widen the cable outer conductor with the stripping tool. Be careful, for too much pressure will make the center conductor crack. Use a brass brush to remove any filings or shavings from the cable. Both the outer and inner conductor should be kept round after the flaring. Step 3. Fitting the connector head. Tighten the back nut while holding the front nut until it reaches the stop as shown. Use spanner wrenches to tighten the connection. Tighten the sealing nut with wrenches until the stop. This process provides a sealed connection that ensures long-term durability and trouble-free performance in outdoor installations. You just finished the installation. Thanks for choosing Rosenberger S-Link RF cable solution for your system. Simple use, superior performance. Rosenberger RF cable total solutions, making your life enjoyable.